What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got another one. This is the third supercharged M3 E92 we're going to do, and it's the best one. This is Joshua's car, and he sent us a message asking us if we wanted to drive his supercharged G-Power M3 E92, and we were like, well, we've done one already and it was super cool, super fast, but Joshua said this car has a very loud exhaust, and well, we thought, why the heck not? So Joshua is here. You can follow him on Instagram. He also has a Lamborghini Aventador SV, which we're also going to do a little bit later on in the year when it's a bit warmer. And well, go check him out on Instagram if you're interested in following him. He has amazing taste in cars because this has been built to perfection by MS Fahrzeugtechnik in Germany, and well, it is a freaking cool car, this. So today I'm going to show you around it. We'll take a look at all the stuff that has gone into this 80,000 euro build, which is pretty damn insane, but it is also a pretty damn insane car because of it. So let's start the exterior with the color, because it looks absolutely stunning in this frozen blue. This is a BMW color. Absolutely gorgeous, and especially because it has this M3 GTR hood with all these cooling vents in there, and the hood pins, the carbon front splitter from an M3 GTS. It looks so freaking mean. Absolutely love it. I think this sort of race spec on an M3 E92 works really well. You sometimes see E92s that have been, well, neglected a little bit, and they can look quite cheap, and well, it's not the most pretty car, but I think a spec like this suits it very well. Alright, so we've got a lot to cover. A lot has been done to this car. We've got these BBS FI wheels. Gorgeous wheel, fits the car super well if you ask me. 19-inch and 245 section front tires. The tires are Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. So they are magnificent. Once you get some heat in there, it is absolutely delicious. And then behind that, we've got brake calipers painted in the exterior color. As you can see, these are Move It carbon ceramic brakes that have been specially made for this car, which is a 15,000 euro business to get that on your E92. But it is really good because this car is hella quick and you need some carbon ceramics on this car. Rear brakes are just stock, but these carbon ceramics at the front are magnificent. And then we've got a Bilstein Club Sport adjustable suspension setup as well. The car has been set up for the track, so it is quite firm. Beautiful carbon roof. It is quite firm, but it is still quite doable. And then we've got a little spoiler, well, little, we've got quite a big wing at the rear, an M3 GTS wing, and then we've got an exhaust. So the rear silencer and with a valve in there is from Aulitsky, and then the rest of the exhaust is a titanium X pipe from Akrapovic, and then it's got two 100 cell cats, and it is all TÜV regulated. So this car is TÜV approved, which is really insane because it is so freaking loud and extreme. And if we open up the boot, you can see that it has been stripped out completely, and you can also see the adjustable Bilstein suspension there on both sides. Very cool. Completely stripped out interior with a beautiful cage in there as well. These Recaro pole position seats, which are magnificent. Oh, we don't have that anymore. Idiot. No, we have to go here and click that and that one, and then we can open this carbon fiber hood from the M3 GTR. So that is the G-Power supercharger. Absolutely massive, weighs around 30 kilos. It also has upgraded gearbox cooling and a new oil cooler, and this all means that we have 650 horsepower, which is quite decent. It feels very strong. We don't have that crazy Darth Vader sound, you'll hear that in a minute, like we had with the other one, but this car produces some other delicious sounds. But yeah, honestly, I really want one of these. It is super extreme, but so cool. And then, as I said, we've got a full cage in here, also painted in the exterior color. As I said, this build has been done to freaking perfection. Everything is just done so well. As you can see, stripped out completely. Also the door panels, everything is gone. So apparently they lost around 150 kilos. Or, well, they didn't lose it. They know where it went, but they got rid of 150 kilos around that. And then, of course, the supercharger, the cage, adds some weight again. So it is around 100 kilos lighter than stock. But it just looks like a freaking race car. And the seating position with these Recaro pole positions is absolutely freaking awesome. You're sitting so low and you can sit close to the steering wheel, which is adjustable in many ways. Now we also have the dual clutch gearbox, of course, which also has been flashed, remapped by MS Fahrzeugtechnik. They did the entire build, so I don't know exactly what else is there. I think I listed the most important stuff, but maybe I missed a couple of things. So we'll start it up. We do have someone who's working over there, so I'm not going to rev it like a madman, but I'll open the valves by hitting this button. And you can hear that is quite a big difference and quite a loud exhaust. All right, we'll close the door, and then we've got a regular seatbelt here, which is great, so you don't have to use the 4-point harness. You can if you want to feel like a racing driver, but normally I just choose to use the regular seatbelt because that is annoying. So let's take it for a little drive towards the Autobahn. I think I missed that part at the beginning of the review. Be honest, who freaked out because I didn't say my usual stuff? All right, so we'll open the windows. Oh, that is freaking loud. Oh. Holy moly! Oh man, that's loud. I mean, this car's been built for the track. Basically, the setup is for the track, but I can't imagine you're allowed at any track in the world with this exhaust. Oh, that is insanely loud. Maybe if you close the valves, you're allowed at the track. That's probably the idea. Oh, that is brutal. It's absolutely insane. Oh, but it's such a beautiful sound. It is such a quintessential V8 growl. And those downshifts are so quick. Like, the response to the pedal isn't that quick, but the downshift itself is so... Oh, it sounds so good. The upshifts are mega quick. Oh, I love this. I love this thing so much. It's such an extreme car, but it's so rewarding to drive. It sounds like a race car. it about these V8s? It just... it just does something to you. It especially, you know, something like this that just goes through your body and leaves its marks. You can see everyone is just looking at me like, what the hell, dude? Mega. That sound. Oh. You can't hear anything else. I'm trying to like see if I can hear the supercharger, but no, I can't hear anything else. Woo, that's a lot of wheel spin. Still warming up those cup 2s. Great. An overtaking truck. That's what we need. Come on, buddy. Don't be a hater. At least he's pulling a nice gap for us, I guess. Release me! No, we're going to do all of them. Okay. Oh, there's another one? Come on, man. Here we go! Oh! Holy moly! Look at it go! That is freaking quick. That sound is absolutely mental. It is so loud and it sounds so good. So of course we also measured the 100 to 200 performance. It did a 6.1 100 to 200, which is very, very quick. That is seriously impressive. I mean, we're looking at Mustang GT500, Lamborghini Huracan Performante. We're looking at that territory, okay? That is seriously quick. I love this thing to bits. Joshua, man, you've got an amazing car. Amazing. I have to pick up Martijn at the other place, so we're going to do another little run on the Autobahn. Oh, fuck me, that is insane. That is insane. Oh. we need one of these freaking things. We need it. I mean, I thought our M3 was awesome. I mean, it is awesome, but this feels so much more raw and it's so freaking unfiltered. And the gearbox with that V8 and that supercharger and this exhaust. Oh, it works so well. Let's see if we close the valves. They open, okay. So you can drive it slowly, basically, around town with the valves closed, but they open automatically above, what is that, 4,000 RPM, I think. Oh no, just... There they go. So it's a throttle position. Listen to that glorious V8. Oh, it has that, it really has that raspy edge. Oh. Glorious car. Thank you, Joshua, so much for taking it to us. I'm looking forward to drive your Lambo Aventador SV as well. But this, I have to compliment you on this build because it is insane and the car feels so good. Oh, it is relentless. Absolutely insane. Okay guys, I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. Don't forget that. You can check out this video on the right or go check out this playlist on the left. Thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.